Nsem mo crazy. Baby, hold on out to dream me of me. Me and two man come make us such a dream me da. Nanka me your dog up in Adom 106.3. Mama where we send you. We don't know till we're about. Me your dog up in there. Mama kuma bakumuja. Mama where we send you. We don't know till we're about. Yes, it's so cool in my bed. So we get something in common, pepe. Why am I missing one here? You may be aware now. Although to me, mommy, to you, no sabalu. I am no crowd on the way to I can't deny the fact that I fall in my angel. I'm coming out of Capinta. Mama, Kuma, Bakumija. Mama, where we send you? They don't know till we're about. We are dog Capinta. Mama, Kuma, Bakumija. Mama, where we send you? You don't know till we're about. Me feel it, the lady inside you. Listen, my one year, I fake. Don't you go man away? Would you grow much your no? Is it your identity and that you know I go? Oh, damn me, what my wins and I'm in the one.
Jim FM.
More than I say, oh, to one out, Chimania. They are women number one. No doubt about it. Every summer I change. It's been long since I felt true love. I can't deny the fact that I fall in my angel. And can be your dog up in town. Mama, come up in town. We don't know till we're about. We are dog up in town. Mama, come up in town. Mama, where we send you? We don't know till we're about. Then can be your dog up in town. Mama, come up in town. Mama, where we send you? They don't know till we're about. We are dog up in town. Mama, come up in town. Mama, where we send you? They don't know till we're about.
I was here exactly 7 a.m. What do I feed you to Abuti Adom 106.3 FM? Dwaso Nsem Jumadi. And your day, brother, we meet India Sempa. Good morning. Baby, be a Abuti. In fact, I know a better would do any training with the Ghana Institute of Journalism, GIJ. Then you easy. Students must say, hey, Yantiasia. Management at the buyer say, or more money to me and your more fees. After the deadline, in your moon defer more cost. That's a student is your more game for a man, Tiasia. A motias, one as a man came home. And tonight, yes, Sembebre. Emma, you're the police for Echo Good GIJ main campus. Emma Moko students in Echo Hoko Jani Adia. Yamama Rem, you're police for about Benedict. Now, Modio Maria Juana or Mujina Bontina, ye near Brico. I need your baby, but I said the bay will be rack compound. But well, students, no more concern anything. I'm a product of GIJ. And your bunny say, you better be a mama. And of course, you want me some more GIJ. I was here to make me mama. And it was your name Abdul Lahi. Abdul Ibrahim Dine Dawson. I am one of the aggrieved students. GIJ Yanen and Chichinkomo. Abdul, what's the main coming watching? Bibi Abakodi. Jim FM. The Bacho Dino Sisubio Mami. Abdullah Abdurrahim. Nade. 9 inch. Okay, all right. Well, the mammy fancy one and Dwaso. And Abdullah, but what level, bay?
Level 400.
Level 400. Not just say, Encha Ubewi.
Exactly.
Right. And I didn't see what GIJ.
So basically, on Tuesday, management of the Ghana Institute of Journalism at the castle is school fees after the deadline for registration. No? Register. Now, you check in some ICC from July 2020, school no share nothing.
Abdul, factor me. This issue, I won't hear a see a tin a year, but me nyak pon be wa homanim. I don't know. I shall me, but you'll be to me a raising a biwa mamia, a bear me depa because. Na homa ne bone hwene kakra why nti me pacha mon sign raise no Abdul your best afro why any other number so I'll bet me the producers ne afro when no so said be better one because this particular issue and na aye hepa woko social media some of the GIJ students any wompa because level 400 to defer your course now once you have started the following year there and wash it they said the TBA was say yetumi kan ho asem I was 4 minutes after 7. Yes, sir. Aka Abdul. Yes, sir. Homanatomia. Hello, Abdul.
Hello.
Oh, great. Says I say there, yeah.
Okay.
And so what's it Tuesday? And the management they cracked our babontin almost today.
Almost say Nkofo almost school fees after the registration deadline. More exams. Now almost be defer course. Just say someone train another year and so almost much course now available. No. Now, as a media, for a lot of people, they might feel say it is fair, but one understanding the things that have been happening in GIJ, especially from July 2020, it will look fair to you. So I'll just explain it. In July 2020, amidst COVID-19, COVID GIJ in school or increases school fees. Maybe move to 2,400. Almost started to have after move to have fees over 3,000. Your petitions MR school we are in the COVID era. Even the president of the republic recognizes this. International president now during the COVID era there were incentives for businesses, there were incentives for private schools. And the Catholic school said, Ebeya and school fees no. Modi amount to maya. Mon thought data maya and the mamu for being kaho. Na ya pay and for data. School is here. Yeah, more example says University of Ghana after data. I'm a student. Or reduce your fees by a certain percentage, even though it is too small. Nafty, I'm a one student in our routers. And he said, Moshe school year, I didn't find a school year, or more yet in your main, into your trouble, your committee, your rector, your deputy rector, registrar, and the head of accounts. In the end, there is a lot of points. The news the news site, yes, and so we didn't have a problem. Then they increase the fees. And now after said, someone increases fees now. Then it makes sense. So Obia bread or COVID era limit at me up pesca. And that's on you who read this school no communicate or sing confunded tia. And I can say some more acknowledge that Omitia now more increasing fees in COVID era. And then it makes sense. Just allow them to be able to register. And it's important to note that these students, even a penalty fee of 200 cities in advance, or more money is on phone, and a penalty. And young management say, young students of GIJ, every time I send this, young compromise, young school being, young school being best saying, compromise. It is time for them to compromise too. Mamma, instance, back one, students, they're compromising my school. Yaba school January. One catcher say yaba school a physical class. But yaba school edimu takrade, edimu tamale, edimu western region. Omu bakra, omu ni family wa. And so omu be rent hostels. Edimu rent rooms in Accra, and you know how rooms are expensive in Osu and Jolu. Edimu spent 4,000, 5,000. After just 1 week of class, the school came out and told us that we are going to have online classes. We were very angry because some of them say about online classes. I don't know moment class one, but we made compromise. Most media for months and demonstration that time. Yeah, did because we understood the school and allowed them to. And then we went on with this. And see, all we are saying is that petition school. You're trying to reasons are yet believe say a year consider students no and more register. Into now within
Abdul, first of all, can be say student HCR penalty. Sana okay.
Exactly.
Okay, but me was statement management a releasee. Now we share 0.6 I don't know say what was statement in India. I say the several deadline extensions resulted in an unprecedented 24-week registration window without any penalty payment. And the penalty in which yama.
Okay, so let me explain. So, what we say, we are alumni of GID. One of public relations. And to say, what kind of katana now the only thing is here. Among some years there. And because of course that's what the teachers, and so we understand the PR message in what they are doing. The school has a 16-week period in a semester. There's no 24 weeks in the semester. That's it. That's the first instance. In the school is a unprecedented extension of deadlines. But the first deadline the school gave was October 9th. October 9th, no. His Excellency the President not even announced schools debut. In October, now school BR was not going on. The President has not even announced what schools are going to reopen. So that first deadline cannot be set to be a deadline.
Yeah.
The second deadline was November 11th. November 11th, still now His Excellency the President and Canada school debut. So that one can also not be set to be a deadline. These two deadlines are what can was me. Was it a letter to students and as almost sending email and messages on your phone? Exactly. So we are students of JIJ. Even increment of fees or one country or man communicate. You be a student portal. Who be a student portal and most of the times the informations are there. So if who be a student portal or who deadline for payments of fees. And say Abdullah, what you are saying, not just a mobile portal, no. The two initial deadlines are what can once me. Including even the increment of the fees. Yeah, but that is October and November deadlines, you know. Portal, including increment of fees. Exactly. But my main kind management, almost statement or money buy. The point one, also in preparation towards the reopening of schools, management circulated the calendar for the academic year, which detailed registration timelines for students. The initial deadline for registration for continuing students, as captured in the academic calendar, was 26th December 2020. Over level 400, we are continuing students. And 26th December na management akoti. And I was working October and November. I know nothing why more. It was from the school. You see, because there is no official document to back these claims in terms of all the deadlines on market channel. No, but saying it. Hello. But what can say a student portal is verifiable and the portal no make close, No, the portal keeps changing. So if last time or deadline for payments of this was October 9th, the whole point there, if they have changed the deadline to let's say January 1st, then the October 9th will not be there again. It means the October November we cannot verify it as of now. Exactly. But you can verify it because in October we wrote petitions. We had interviews on TV, and it was during all those agitations that we wrote even a letter to the police service to demonstrate against the school, and that necessitated a meeting with the rector. It was in that meeting that the rector said that the school was not going to work with that deadline and that deadline will be extended. Okay. Yes, what the Yembra management deadlines are the mamo, just to be fair to the school near Kanwasem. The first one was 26th December. Second one was 8th January. The third one was 3rd February 2021. And finally 25th February 2021. Yeah. It means it's a omama 4 deadlines. So basically, as in some we are not saying that the school has not given deadlines. That's not what we're saying. We are saying that if Sawako GIG, especially that you have been to GIG before, you know, sir, every time, for example, say your uncle who be almost your fees, but won't register because of other issues. The school allows them to pay penalty and then for them to be registered. Me, I mean, okay, mature penalty for late payments of fees on more than 3 occasions. You get it?
So but not this academic year.
I'm explaining.
Okay.
I'm explaining. It was later in this academic year that the school brought a new handbook. You get it? And in those new handbooks is where the school says that they have made some of these changes. And okay handbook now, the handbook I have as a student from 2017 is different from the handbook Nipa Oba level 100 and the war. So who would have expected to say, some of the rule for or a battery during that era, you could have released a statement explaining it, just like we couldn't have waited for today before you're explaining all these things to students. So we have said again that all these, the school has rules and regulations and all that, but we have given details and reasons why we believe that the school can still be able to register these students. At least this is the first time. This is the first time that rule is being brought, and so if the school can bend on it a bit and register all these students.
Abdullah, handbook now can want some or copy.
I have a copy of the new handbook.
What kind?
Yes, I've read portions of it.
You've read portions,
because I have read the handbook I was given when I became a GIG student. Once before my matriculation.
Yes, your man handbook. But what you have to say, new handbook about?
I have read everything in the handbook.
But the new handbook, you've not read it.
Exactly, I've not finished reading the new handbook.
But a copy.
Yeah, I have a copy.
One second copy in the
it will be difficult to give an exact date.
But at least it has been in your possession for about 3 months.
I will not be able to explain that, but let me explain.
Baby Nyabotre, me establish baby. Abdullah Nyabotre. I hire Adom FM. Why? Handbook, it has been in your possession for 3 months.
That cannot be established. Like I've told you, I can't give a timeline.
But it has been with you for some time.
Yes.
As a student, once I can handbook, what prevented you from reading through the handbook?
Okay, so let me explain this. Every year, the handbook bar, you're the man first year student, not so. That's what happened. So when they were admitting new students, we have a WhatsApp platform where the school shares every information. You get it? If not for COVID, and Omobema student, the first year student, knew a printed handbook. So once they sent a new handbook to the level 100, I was not under obligation to read it because I have the handbook that I was given in level 100. And that handbook does not have the new laws that is stated.
Per messenger management at the buyer this particular year.
Every year, the school gives out new handbook. Students don't go around reading new handbook. Once you are given a handbook in level 100, that is what guides you. So if the management changes anything in the handbook, it lies on the management to release a statement saying that those of you who received handbooks in 2017, the new handbook has been updated. This is what we thought would have happened.
Okay, and see if indeed your old handbook and what is your worry? Why do you go for the new handbook? What are you doing?
No, I'm on a school WhatsApp page, and so I can't stop the school from sending me a message.
Okay, and see, messenger school is sending you no more can say.
I can't give the exact message now, unless I go back and check it.
But I'm sure, sir, it is based on that message in Tina will call for the new handbook.
No.
And
send me a WhatsApp page, so
yeah.
If I'm on the WhatsApp page, that you cannot comment, and then a message is sent. Of course, you download to see what is there.
So the message, it was sent to all students from year 1 to year 4.
It was sent to all students on the WhatsApp platform.
Yes, and
only on the WhatsApp platform.
And I'm sure, sir, Omoka said this is the new handbook, and yes, sir.
we can't verify that unless, like I've told you, unless I check it, we can't all verify.
Is it possible to go through your messages? Now, if you wait to me, whilst I wait for you to go through your messages, let me welcome the next president. Ewa Humano. So until the Abuame, go through your messages. Say, to me the exact message. School no SND. But you see, now do a video to higher Adom 106.3 FM. Indeed, Dwaso Nsem Jumedi no asuguso awuti. India Sempa Isaac J. Hyde. President, National Union of Ghana Student, Nooks. Isaac, what's the main kind? I'm asking drink now. Hello, Isaac. Hello, Isaac. Aisha, me pacho, but Monday na check it, Isaac, mommy, because I mean, Isaac in can. Hello, Isaac. Hello, Isaac Hyde.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Isaac. I'm asking drink now.
So me try no wait for you now.
Great, I hope so. Bibi Abokwano pay. So, as president of National Union of Ghana Student Nooks, me assure said the Ekosu or GIJ will follow.
Right.
Briefing na wenya day.
Well, me that's baby. Just like anyone else, no. You have information here Ekosu or GIS, no. You know, Monday in Yumbre, or another Tuesday in Yumbre, until right the following day, no. National Year of Ghana Students, the nature of your processes is your local SRCs. Aside local SRCs, no, all the schools no more belonging to a block. And this is a University of Ghana, or university, and you belonging to University Students Association of Ghana. And through University of Students Association of Ghana, and no joining National Year of Ghana Students. GIJ, or professional institutions, until like University of Professional Studies, almost belonging to the Ghana Union of Professional Studies. And the assembly by you paying for more block Ghana Union of Professional Students a campus on senior bay champagne for 9 years concerning the issues going on there. Your call campus on says more be new campus or Jowlu.
Yeah, man, Jowlu.
But you could do honor management according of the place security for my campus on. We inform them, say, as in paying for no, you're engaging an amicable solution to the problem. And so we decided that in your being here, say, your share students know, now you, baby, you know what the issues are before we as leadership know, until your core campus never ring, we know any students who share.
Hello. Too bad. Sir. Isaac J. Hyde, so President, National Union of Ghana Student Nooks. Indeed, we are GIJ students are may activity phone lines, and I'm sure say we are concerned. My wonka whilst we engage authorities and say name management of the school better train in common now for well Saka Isaac J. Hyde. Hello Isaac, too bad. Yanka Isaac J. Hyde here, but we are GIJ students. Now we are affected with this statement and our management decision me bacho frame. Now when they may share experience that so far management or statement or media bano what Jenny saying, and now we are concerned parent or GIJ this particular decision. I feel management of GIJ or air bano saying I would 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 me bacho mo biambe hijacking ahomano yepe parents or students or moko GIJ or mo affected by this particular development and now students are or what GIJ na assembly efane ho amope any activity phone lines na momo 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 ubetimi afre na afei ya cheche enkomo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Too bad. Hey, lines, man into more. 0302 216 561 0302 216 562. Fred Nyanchichinkomo. It's all about the Ghana Institute of Journalism, GIJ. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Also, me a student. Oh.
We a student what GIJ. Okay, member by level ben our.
No, level 200.
Level 200, right. We are affected by this decision.
Me affected, but a lot of people are affected by this thing. And I think that management should hear our voices.
Jim FM!
Do not be fair to us throughout this period. The COVID period has been very, very hectic for a lot of students. But management, students. It's a deal will be. And who messaging me say, and you'll be our coach to do 400. Not because we're trying to school fees late into put you on different course, non-time brand next year. And no matter you come more GIJ, and your market 12 assignments going up and down because GIJ or money hostel, they are students in Abeka from the cover. And they be more free check as well as them, and here I'm on back school. Traffic near alone can stress. And she also students are why for women in Nan and Yamayan, which is school fees on time and go another 1 year is very bad. Into management, yes, strong. Yes, strong.
Mate, me da se bebre, me da se pass wafre 0302216561. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Titanos, Republic of Ashaiman.
Me bacho you a student of GIJ?
No, not a student, but I'm giving just some contributions here. You see, the GIJ, what the decision that they are coming with now, the only buying a good idea, but I think they are using it to test the waters. So testing the waters is Sankofa Yenchi. Oma Kane, na shaky grounds now. Obiamu say then we give them the chance to go through and then make the payment later. Then from the next semester, no, then the whole world knows that but if at a go you do this, both of us are going to suffer. The students are going to suffer. Management side, GES side, and at the end of it, the governmental side. And I thank CPP for coming out to even pay 5,000 to help them solve this. It's not going to help it out there. But this is the beginner. Let us see what I was saying. It should be next time so that everybody will sit up that when you are saying a basic, but if it's so and they give veto like this, you are all going to suffer. Titanos, Republic of Ashama.
Martin, me da se bebre, me da se set wafre. Hello, good morning. Too bad. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good.
Me bacho, we radio no manen from Gakramami.
Okay,
Me bacho me tiopa. We a student of GIJ now. We a concerned parent.
I'm a student of GIJ.
Okay.
Level 400.
Level 400. We are affected by this decision.
Pacho Dabi, but me now for no more around me. They be affected.
Me bacho yentio.
Okay. So, me when Abdurrahim interview, the point about the handbook. Or no, new handbook, because or executive, and he's on the platform of some level 100 students, and normally the best in the level 100, because or no or executive, or preview, say Obemusa information. Me, I'm also in level 400, and I didn't know anything about a new handbook. And a lot of us are disadvantaged. And and this is not the first time they are telling students to defer their course. Last year, that is when we were in level 300. No, the school made them to defer. We didn't talk about it because we knew the school had a legitimate argument. But this time around, the difference is that we've been ambushed because we didn't see this coming. They didn't communicate anything to us. We just woke up one day and this was the decision they've taken. And in the first release that management brought out, almost say at a management meeting, and we know that the rules they are quoting, any management decision, there should be a student representative. No student represented us. So it means that they themselves sat together and decided to come out with a release like that. So we are telling them to allow the students who have already paid to go on with the registration and write for the exam. Then they will communicate the new rules for us so that next time every student there will know that this is what is going on, or this is the new norm.
Mate, Medasibebre, thanks so much. Why, Medasipa? 2 more calls near the sea. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, madam.
Yes. Mr. told me level 400 students of this.
Okay, me battery you.
Mr. told
hello.
Management. So, more share say of mom again. No, mama, show for the last time. Me and him, Omanka, the promote show.
Mate, madam, Medasibebre self frey. A concerned parent in the way, your best remo. Most of family no and to mobi. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mpacho, me affected student.
Great. Mpacho what level saying?
Well, level 300.
Yentio.
Yeah, the question everyone want say GIG or Moyesa. Because at this COVID era, no, or more to school fees 3,200. Even so at your fee paying, that is 4,200 Ghana cedis. Now at the end, no more you won't say school for no even we poor one can the extra get a chair or school fees. Minimum be or tone traffic. Traffic so as much as school fees. Me say me tone fools away we also me training a crack no bias in the school. No bias in the school so it had.
Boss, me patch my maybe say was GIJ no more expect is a muntia 100% full fees and 60%.
Full ucha me there was a day me could charge school fees. Eka once a day. They didn't allow me to register. I went back to pay the once a day before I was able to register.
But patch fees na you saying ahina mutia
3,200 Ghana cedis.
That is for level 300.
Yes. For level 300. And I almost had the fee paying back on fee paying no. So one made the required grade point now over to 4,200 Ghana cedis.
Me but 3,000 plus no for a semester now for a year.
For a year.
Okay.
Meanwhile, at first 90 first last year near 2,600 Ghana. And I said, you can be our giant didn't mind us. So they are insensitive. Like boss.
Abusha Matimes Rokra because your GIG management better check and come on. You pursue my home and Saka definitely all the answers are here to my questions. Yadebe Mamo.
Hey, was our dear tea for me? Coffee and coke, yeah, Minya won't want dear Michelle Sika Competia. Yet I want any chinye, Makuma Famu, Yamiame, Mammy Shokawa, Makuma Famu, beat the by Pimpin', my own dream, you are the one, there's nobody but you. I'm waiting for the day to be rolling the carpet for me and you. My own dream, okay, what?
I was your entry at the Napas, me faster down my CBG. CBG will stand with you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready at Befe Herbal Center. Our latest film, your partner for life. Uti Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem. Me pacha why you worried Davis will be ma or display possible symptoms of COVID-19 and we hear expert medical advice to questions are what dream who won't yes here. Me pacha worry not. If it's a Vodafone Ghana's Outline Medical Center got you covered. There was a way answer what dial 255 on your phone and speak to Vodafone Ghana's Outline Medical Center. Amoya Juma if you're not pan on watch it, copy menu on watch it. So take it easy, relax. Net dial 255. Assistance be a won here be a mode be ma CBG Adaroma is a obese wutia abain taxes are obetimi relaxing the comfort of your home and office na fe wetia custom duties GRA taxes, Environmental Protection Agency levies, Ghana Standards Authority levies, Food and Drugs Authority levies, any abai levies bia opese wutu bia. The here say what dial star 222 hash, star 222 hash. What dial afi with them, and now say wo betimi akọ. Abẹ from figures on the internet www.ghana.gov.gh. No affiliate form what generate your invoice. For further details for 0302 216 000. CBG will stand with you. Etikopo etwem na fatu baby. Even standard definition etwem fatu baby. I was just say yeah, high tech. I know yeah, brighter high definition. The Sentinel HD Plus TV. Aba, I know the Philly experience. I know now here. Unya now the HD Plus decoder at your peso. Eko yepa, relax, take it easy. Nothing shame for me, papa. What TV papem? Ubenya Wedi Anessa Electroland showroom nationwide. Oko baby Ubenya Electroland. Amona ye authorized dealer. Ebachobe to me afre Electroland showroom 0242 439 872 for more details.
You are the one. There's nobody but you.
The 2nd of April 2021, MTN Semen Cantrell. So anytime I will be a Momo agent be a honor. Now we cry with national ID card. Put a mame wati. Oye yentia. So the be able to me across so I transaction in a very safe and secure way. MTN said that's why we go together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. It's about 34 minutes after 7. ABY atana say. Yeah, the na person where they bro. A personal abone bede or they. But once again, a special happy birthday to you, Anthony Nukwe, the Greater Accra Regional Organizer NDC. Good morning, bro. It is well. God day with day. Akuya Bwache wa Adom ABY me mwache.
Mejo so kwasi.
Bibi aboko there.
Odi achayen.
ABY nini trimi there. O chika cha baby an. When your friends say Oshin.
Baby we are French. Unimu.
What say?
French.
Hey. If you French, my money buy.
So I'm sure send you some person me kata mani kakrana. They say mask no, you say mvan kati enu. We na no be ti mambo no ade akata.
Umbeze obehuni pa bio.
They say I see you no see me.
Oza. Hey asamo. Where done na ye say da ye de.
Oh odom for na adawroma. They say who say eniema sesa.
Pa.
Eniema sesa. We adu say from.
Oh adan.
Na say na hyehyehye no ewie mu adwo kama eno agiaje fo die na nka
ade osho ba
eno ni ade anka be ye ujambo na mgidi se empanimfo no
yeah
omo betie omo betie no masese omo adwo evi se senka bibia si ya senka bibia si ya dia enka school bia wona hyehyɛ ye omo de ye adwuma ba we no from Mampeninka say more than we are not in another times.
Yeah, sure. We are not in normal times.
You need normal times.
Yeah, sure.
A student back or girl, young girl be any video be separate. A student from GIG. Yeah, all Casa say, baby, me free and me back. Munim kwanya me faso. Yeah, me cheer me fi and it's true.
It's true.
School sir.
It's true.
Omo ye juma eco school. Omo ebia o free SS award banner. Akwalani ka 2,500 no tiano.
Yeah.
What him say? Or kwanya ofashu tiana nya sem ketwa. Eti so bi be tia ni fees. Wo de asemu nim se bia mo meet deadline ye ma mo register no. Mo nte no mo pon ba bi.
Exactly.
But so many penny tia wie na ka che ne say.
Na your first semester. Differ.
Wo a wa tia
wie.
Yeah, one meeting deadline
differ. I mean, honestly, I vehemently disagree with this decision by GIJ. I'm surprised. I'm surprised, Professor Edu, Rector. I'm surprised to say you take such decision at this COVID era.
When you are down on this, Professor
Edu, yes. At this COVID era.
Me cry me one was. I thought the same say. Penifoni be a casa from. If you say, yeah, but about 2020, but before 2020 election, promises are. Amanyofo both NDC ni MPP for no ma ye nyina no Womo kan ye
no more absorbing fees in Pama.
Professional students no moba ya yese ya boamo. Enti die see ya yebu ye ni egu ni nyina. Ye beka say mo kwakoti mfifire abetue sika no so no mo amfa amantem enti mo nko tenafie na afie chimasa abetro. This is unfair. Everywhere
this decision there, honestly it will not stand. GIJ, with all due respect, forget it, because you see you are dealing with human lives. Na bisa wo say wa wo ye management awo ho no e ye wo ba wo beka say un defend another year. I mean sometimes some of the decision we take it on humanitarian grounds. You are dealing with a student. This COVID era obi parent na jumegu. You understand? And to see Kakro di Shefie, only be no the Biabetia fees. Guy no frayer or say our cantamanto. I want not titila la sulala, not the tia fees. Say COVID era sika wa yanko for the kodum akwa kotom your mama kwana enyeska. Let us not do this.
Senkashi see a dianka.
This COVID era.
Kwesi uko school kesi school pon bia mu a. Oma yentana arrangements babia from Legon to babia.
Among reverse decision no ne yanko yanim. This one there mem. Among reverse decision because it will not stand. Why Sabi Nyansanim? I mean, we are back in the Amopa. Sabi, I'm a product of GIJ. You can't do this to students in this COVID era. A bankrupt businesses. Yeah, more stimulus package. Say, I'm on fan show. My Jimmy said about they will show up. What are you talking about? You sit there as management in the name of Yenia managing school, Tino. It's just a big and found. Look at the number of students. Who told you, say, defer and no crowd, your mom, or would defer on the park when yes, cannabitia. Level 400, Obiako school, do level 400 or baby was a defer and a start. With all due respect, Yansa Benewum. Edward, if I person and I same way there, I've finished about the country.
I am for Kuni and Shasia, there be answer near Beko Kuni, young the Ghanaian Times and Sam. Nana Ghanaian Times and Nimuno, Abra was some that has saying, Bosumi Temquasi, Bosumi Tem, Nipan Nai and Yakumo Ewo,
Yasemo. Bosumi Bako, Nipan Nai Bako.
Nipa nine and Yakumo ewo.
But everyone who say bibi koso my must say wo nipa kum abayafo.
The kwesi da bia meka.
Abayafo.
Na nipa ntiase say.
What is happening in this country?
No yes say. Me ne wo twempna. Me suspect say wo free machi ntimakum. This is
abayafo.
Just say asem na free man no ba na hwe yeto for man once am betwa mo atia.
Na bi just say ensem ne bi wo wa wo de man into for.
That's one she lady no. Mehun lady.
Yes, Oba son no say. Abusua bra Facebook no be hwa asem aye ka ho asemi.
Kwasi won kwati no. Wo suspect.
Wo suspect. Say ebia I wanna send in a message intino. Wo suspect so ni I wanna me twempna.
So message eti wo kun no.
Abusua bra Facebook say ya join your Facebook na hwa de ekoso.
Girl no maame say nyankopon ma na koma. Wo betumi di aso saa yi a wo. Nyankopon ma na koma media source aye
Obatan
ena ne etusu mienu ye kwasi ne eno so ba ya ye se be ma ba ko no so youth employment ye wo no mo a no no so eda no a won so kun ne girl sabi eno won so kun ne girl eno Caesar kuma de ende na oba na nya sen emfie duonu 20 years kwada nketen
look at that
ena ne etusu miensa so yes papa bi ene ne ye ana na omo so akwada ketua be 3 wadi na nsa ho na omo ko ntokwa sa kinye ena so oba ni shun be ma no sese on so bo form one so bi
look at that
nye to so me nsa eno no eti mpanifo agwo fra mantem say sane niema no esi koso no eburu so ba ko ni otwato Moses Gamo de ye so omukọ hunting onene na mfufuo bi etu omuti pay ye omukọ ye no na tuo no omuso omde kwa hayo no na odi ahye ne yam sei so onu a na shutu no wo na fu na koto so onso awu eti police force aye kon aye no chese ya doso ti wo be ye nhwehwemu fa ne akunkum ye ekoso ewoho no se wo beti wo ho agum na wa hyeda aye nhwehwemu wo mu dendenden the Ghanaian Times ewo mu bi Sada so na wunsa budget akwommasika yi no empanimfo de kom na hyebedwam no ebeto dwaso judiciary no na legislature no omo ti omo budget no omo akwommasika no mo so
nze speaker ni abrepa
asa na kan say eh na munim sasa ye beti ye sika so a ye won hyehyɛ ye wosa mo de fam muntimi sɔre prɛko pɛ mfa mɛtwe ye nim sɛ ye ate mu sika no so eti mpanimfo nkɔ so onte mra na se a wo mo nkɔ na mo nkɔ kan ni yie enei fro efri mampanina tra ene mpanimfo de aba ne sɛ ye sɛ wo mafom wo mo so magye atum so mafom
ye pass on mampani agye atum
sa ebeka judiciary no ni omo egwom na hyebedwam sika ene na wo sɛ
afom kwan
Juma 127 ene 179 ye constitution num na wo famra kwan so aye nhyehyɛ ye wo sɛ wo ye na emom so obi betena ba bi na asɔde ya se o yate makɔ masika so as the same Antonia Tomsi o mafum na no mo ka ase Ministry of Finance ni Parliament ni Judiciary no o mate o mo ho ase nti na o mo so dike
amo yes ano
eti we da kura wo se maka
amafum kwa ya
tani voice o mo se sa o maji atum
anyway quickly ma memfa we infam ne ntoa so GIG asem na ne ka no Jacob say ye boa so onim no joy the message bi aba yen read it. I say the authorities of GIG have ambushed the student and it is a bad decision and bad faith. I am sad about the quality of decision. Those I look after are not affected, but all of them disagree with management. This is bad in COVID-19 era. Are they willing to pay for their expenses? The decision is late and bad and consequential effect very costly economically to national development.
Yes, no progress student.
No, everywhere this particular issue, me say, penifon sorry for manuntum. Mr. President, I mean, this, it will not hold. It can't hold. I mean, look, they shouldn't dare. What kind of letter? Look, letter, what watch that, dear Crano? Everywhere, me say, letter, maybe kind. Or more chere enkola na de ne kra no omo letter omo de buy ABY mistake wom o dem be kan no man hu say
na ye ma omo kwan ye dikan na ye ma omo kwan ye to
so everything is in it's in a rush
wo ma omo kwan ba ko mienu miensa no enka ka say mo omo ntumi entie sika no Emma deadline so ye bia no atos say muntu aye no munni fe ba so ka say wo a watue sika no na wo tue aye before the e wo ji sika ne ye den woni so ma me ma wo je ye den
me say nim guasie the odia me kan letter ne the first paragraph ABY I say enye in preparation towards the reopening of schools, management circulated the calendar for the academic year, which detailed registration timeline for students. The initial deadline for registration for continuing students as captured in the academic calendar was 26 December. Management decided to extend the registration deadline to 8 January 2021 after tertiary students received the green light from the presidency to open. I say, in our quest to ensure that as many students as possible register for the 2021 academic year, management decided to again extend the deadline for registration to 3rd February 2021 as act of magnanimity. Magnanimity. In fact,
okay, what happened to say humobro this time? Samosi humobro ekwaso na mudi hu nkwa. They say asa wo bi na di ni tumi ye ne o pese ye me okora ha mahu mo.
My beginning statement no cry wrong. Ebi wa tie we further to management's directive to students who fail to register for the semester to defer their programs. Tio management wishes provide further clarification as follows. Management wishes provide. Say your constructed English GIG. Management wishes provide. More chance and for you rush and put that statement out. No, but I understand the mission. But you see, you should be careful when you are putting statement out. Statement and this how the Baman for punchy was. As a more rush, you are changing. Was here. What is that? Let's stop this, please. GIG, stop it. Stop it. It's a shame. Stop it.
Kwasi yanko daily guide so so. Abushia ye toaso GIG asem no de ye nwie ye kwasi betoaso. Na daily guide anim no Dr. Muhammadu Baumia, Mampania Bedi Chen, what they are treated say posters bi nenam yeah man for the and I'm feeling what you know ye be chum na chese ba umia beto aso so osere mo wonye poster wonye poster and na won ka sasa biri so aye womu no wo be pre abehwa mampani akonwa abesi wono mo wose sa biri nie wo pese wo ye eni se wo bo mampani na nado ema na dwuma abo ye no koso
ya me ba ye
eti no mo amu ye posters no se maboka mo fanchi mo ntwem na sa de wonye ana aloteje ko sun say tinton time kwasi ya yina
oh waden you say there bye you
ana atubiga de ne suspension
no the go face disciplinary committee no
open aloteje ko say NDC for wadwuna mo ho a wanti ase efi so no be 2 weeks ago and wo ka say we yi ne ho afiri party no eti sa letter no omo choro ye den wo se amanyoko na te sabu ne woda bonsam jamu wo mu a lions den there be also the devils then lion kura de na se jata
ya samo
eti amanyoko wo mu ate se ne woda bonsam jam eti so omo so omo yi na wo ka kire omo se wono no wo kwadio wo ko da ansana omo be kika sansem yi omo kana kire no eti unya daily guide a sansem ni su bi ewo mkwasi yemfa okunni enwie
yeah quickly yemfa no wie
yemfa okunni enwie no okunni kokobo a wode ba no na menti ase o kwasi ne empanimfo a kire nie ma yem pass 5% revenue to customers banks no
exactly
ye hon na be to customers no we say akwamasi budget no ewom se banks no say ene ye to na ba ye no mo so mo de wo hanche mu enum ye de mo mo naka ya mpanimfo bo ye de siesie banks no banks collapse ni nyina na yemfa nya ho adwuma na emom ne ye wode sa akokobo yi ba say ma yemfa sa atwo no ma customers
exactly
me customer dia me kona se dia to so ase mini reka
why
na what so we say yem pass sa revenue to customers enu daily graphic ne wa chiro no dia what so hwe ye hu adwuma
right ABY me da se bebre yem fancy ebusia for na poso ye dia si yem fast da ma ABY aseda kase no enkoma CBG we stand with you Vodafone the future is exciting ready Agweve Herbal Center and latest foam your partner for life Adom 106.3 FM
son. I should show him no one why in a son. So she, no Joe. So she, no Joe. Joa.
Although you way.
Right, I'm saying it's about 6 minutes to the top of the hour. COVID-19 has said my kind there be a protocols. But them also say you better share stigmatization. Also be who show signs and things obi adwane jano. You say hey, they say wait there. You when you bio and yes otomade wo joma anti akua du joma obi aka hehe anti akua menkoto na ade o. Ono nya COVID in chair. I say mo say afi anti akua ekodwa so a once the kra onya nam say bi anti akua eka che ne nam for mama ya say mama ya meti pai me mo fin so ye anti akua wanya COVID. Ya samo and no pay ye be kan wasem we settle down afi ya share stigmatization the aspect of COVID protocols there ya kan wasem man I mean saka very special team I mean omo ebe atwetwe and come on indeed introduction on be mebbo mo dina for mo cheche ya near to me atiase ye David Dake health promotion David memwakwa bibia bokode great your body I say and I think so Kojo SL medical doctor health essentials Kojo memwakwa
yeah
I hope so bibia bokode wait your body I say and finally Edwin Bwachi Adom clinical psychologist Edwin memwakwa everybody I say doc me don't be fear quickly now say what to me introduce you Kojo SL medical doctor health essentials
yes
I want him for health essentials near then
so health essentials no health
Jim FM
we offer corporate health
okay
we come into your space we can set up
doc me but you buying a microphone so
we can set up like
great
on-site clinics for you wellness centers where you can exercise and keep healthy so very very focused on preventive medicine
okay and
with that a big chunk is also education so we educate we prevent and then we manage
okay
it's there so this and then a my to me call to say markets near the situation where we can find out what is happening there and how to help them to live better
right and you know more focus markets
in this particular
project yes. More share market and a kwanya mo be fast wa boa omo na omo timi mo boa mo ma ye den all right into mo come market ade na mo ye
okay so now it's broader than that so markets and lorry stations essentially
okay
this is a project water aid and then with in conjunction with MasterCard Foundation
okay
what we're looking at is with all this COVID Neyman then Buna actually it's like preempting stigma for film in the end problems beba problems are started into your kokwa ye name for kasa send your bay on be who say stigmatization say yan young bibia one and no ebema nkofo do ho be siesie
right
ebema nkofo obi protocols so cry nyejuma ye because enti so ben obi a ben no because best obi who say oh you are ready
dog me pacha wo stigmatization e brofo kase e kire saying
so I said here ye microphone if we send it back chrono officer crew into be a side year one and now was I into yam bang into I say into chim.
Okay.
Yes.
You move any stigmatization. No. Wow. And you know, say moko in Jomsa ne lorry paksa. The entrance and among the momo.
Very good. Okay. Into the agency apart from say you back to the place and you sign share large group of people. What we want is opinion leaders. So opinion leaders opinion leaders.
Yeah.
Send your bayer you don't move back tenacia boom. Near moment who say one COVID say na yare because one of the things that my problem but they say e be a yenti yare na see into a new and I am share wo into your show send your yare no it's a chassis which me nya na show send you which me above home buy with the protocols na ya so akoso actual say what's your dey na see ya it is one kasa nso wo yi ho ma say menso
Oh, okay. Great. Afi Maminko Openi Bwachi Adom so we are clinical psychologist. Inti semo PSA as clinical psychologist role Ben I will play.
Okay, but that's any kind of so we should any lack of knowledge and anim dianko phone nim bebre ewa de bi ho na eboa e mo stigmatize na o mo ye ipam na afi o mo tinetine o mo nsa esan say o person o twe no ho free ho na ono nso wa anya bi.
Okay.
Enti empepi wo hwe ye hwe COVID-19 ankasa obi tuminya na nyame adom asa na yare na ne ho ato no ana say afi ye be san test na e free ni mu free ni mu ye te se be wanya kata na afi o ho ato we no nche se
right
and so esan say nimde no enko achi nimti e mankofo atwetwe wo mu ho eno ho encheche e na ye koma eye adwin entiase se misuro se meben because of A B and C na se ye hwempa na A B C nyina so nimu a na cha se hu hia se misuro obi enya bi wo edwam ana se wo ye driver wo nya bi ne ho atono back ebe ye adwuma obey all the protocols but obi am person obeben no esan se wo nya bi pen enti esan se nkofo de meme ka ho maye ne se ye boa echeche education na afi ya ma nkofo ahu de omoye stigmatize na omoye ipemu a ekose ebi ne se me brother ye nya bi ne ho atom oba ye mehu se mo tinetine mo nsa wo ne so a me so me sha ase bowa me sha ase esnizi me t-shirt ase pai me nkan chem me management offer me manya ye bi me kwaba
okay
na so ehye me ho me ba se me hohoro me nsa na me hye me mask na ma adwe be mo se I don't know if it all of a sudden there be ocean mask come mo ba dwen se me obi dia nya me hye na me ni mu nyina atu afra
okay
ba ne sa ye sa e de ye ho nti sa ncheche na me ka ho ma ye
right na che se enisi ye de en satenetire nkrofo so we yanya bi we memben no I know the humba.
Apart from that, since we tetia, you found this.
But dog, we be say a natural. Hey, now dog it when you be na minimum. A bed is a mini dog be the agrobio. And the idea yeah.
Safer than because only the one and yeah, test no.
But dog one gin this is a yare by mudi who's was say a mudodo. And until binya be a yesu who's nipana danebo sumbi and coho. Oh, munjin these are.
I think that if it's the impact and I say your farm here near man.
Yeah.
But what should we are seeing now? Not saying Kofu, Bunasin for 4 years. Not to say ye be in term.
Right.
But maybe it was a bit extreme.
Okay.
Because I'm sure you will do also. Apart from side this name or time, even effect on the Sikemuni affecting the power. Obi o ha no ho ato no ono a okodium ni ade ayo mo mo be ye djuma
Jim FM
ono a onye sika
right
obey poverty abem ono a onye sika wontumi ndidi malnutrition cases abem right Now, perform person more band. Into my head and why isolated. Said you out to watch out. Once I feel the for mental health challenges, which is another reason I had to call. Because I think for being crap some because I said, I did me fear me kwana me wo home me affect me bush na for me now for me now. It's a big thing.
Right. I was saying David Dake, show signs and symptoms. Mamin kon ho na femi mbisa ne say no show ye no. Sign and crofo no Dave. Boko there. Charlie mami blow na man for who say Charlie over there. A man for who say Jack. Obi one can David by here see what show signs and symptoms. Hey boy, me ben David cry. Charlie share me no stigmatization wa. But Dave, what the net is saying?
Okay, ma, what's see?
Jim FM.
Okay, I'm a health worker.
Right.
A health promotion officer.
Sure.
Precise. Yeah, I am Buderu Nande.
Okay.
And around September thereabouts.
Right.
We started to me feel funny. Loss of smell, loss of taste, a little bit of temperature.
Wow.
Easy.
Some way.
Or you're covered. You know. Initially, I psyched myself.
Okay.
I psyched myself. So, me being part of the frontliner team, you know, so, okay, it can be possible. So then let me test myself.
Okay.
Okay. Funny enough, God being so good, I came out negative.
Oh wow.
You understand?
Even though the symptoms were there, the signs.
And symptoms, yeah. Because so now, no, my epidemic of there, obu show signs and symptoms.
Okay.
Of a particular condition, but on
Monyono.
Because it's no, mama quenchen kakra. Oh, the ma TB impu. And I drink for TB though. And they celebrate World TB Day.
Sure.
Go football, but young concentration now. COVID though.
Yeah.
Yeah, neglect TB. Honestly, intention. The issue you see, okay, at that change, my results are bad. I was still feeling well. Okay. Let me just adhere to the protocols, take my normal medication, and still continue working. Until I think a week later, I'm going to program with baby. I'm going to meet some few friends now. Young bonko mokakra. And it's no one I'm kidding. Oh, Charlie, this is what happened to me. Oh. Believe you me, that moment, no Bian Shamaxo. No Bian Shebi. I must mean Shemidi. See, I say, Charlie, they know two more. I say, within 2 seconds.
Obia is steady.
Yeah, gear up. Obia Shen Max.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so.
Obia Shro.
Kakra na ya so Charlie Moko.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Moko. You know what I could say. Now, this is a real stigma.
Yeah.
Even to me, what happened to me. But I still encourage them. I meet them. I talk to them. But this was not what you should have done.
No, but Emra Obia sorry no. How did you feel?
Oh, I felt bad. But me being a health worker.
Okay. Now what's your say?
I was cool. I know that something like this will be to me see. You understand? Because I want one health workers to want shut down task.
Yeah.
And that is why we have a lot of work to do. And health workers often education on stigma, the awareness that dog can stigma puts my nyama p. Up and the man. What will happen is conditions or cases will go up because people are refusing to do tests. Because so you be a tester. No be good when you're the main
SMP.
So please, the awareness on stigma, it should still keep on going.
Marty, Dave Dake, me that's a doc, my main browser. Until so far, markets do saying, lorry stations do saying, and what to me ako.
Yeah, quite a number. I mean, since I had 3 municipal assemblies, Greater Accra, Akwapim North, and Northern Region. I mean, I think it's in the Nanumba North. And so I think in each group, we do about 4 or 5 markets. So let's say about 15. About 15 markets.
Right, and this particular project must start here,
This project started somewhere in September.
Okay.
I think it was launched around the time.
Right.
And then it's been, trying to build up the materials for training, getting the posters near there to educate, and then now there. So if you follow social media, I'll be doing different things. Hand washing, different way. I try to let people know. So obeying you because I'm not let the person come back to work. And now, we also have the friend is audiovisual.
Right.
It's going to start screening very soon.
Okay.
It's a market and a lorry station scene. So I think Water Aid has been very proactive. Started this thing on stigma long before others were considering it.
Right. Edwin, me bacho, we'll final comments on the Equine was here to me faso na enko tinitini and someone crofoso.
No crane says, said me can say Indiana, your course were born at the Runi and Indian be brave, boy, I may attend your Mabiase. See, I am higher Hunya Ypum. Madame Fatu we at two Jose. Sabi, Hunipabia now, Adam for be any car accident na. Channel 9 and sa Osreno. Onsreno. And Jadena ubi enya COVID na or recover. What's net na one sawan so adena watching who free no ho. Ya chin ya ho free ya ho ya ho no. Yankase enkoya tu ana yenko kan etimom ni enim komo. Ye obey protocols no. Now so ye making sure say ye ho no. Odo tema biakoye no ewo yemu.
Right.
Eba ne sa ye nyarishe mu ewo ye ho say. That should be when you now to be chat a best shape.
Matia Busia Mena Masibe Bro, indeed, Moshe Ghana Water Aid in connection with the MasterCard Foundation and a Kabum. And see, your best way, so who are more Jomana, lorry station, no more ba. Edin church, Abe my said a bear stigmatization. Obianya Biswa, men continue one sour and soon bona boding. Enko hunehuna nkrofo a mo around a high Adom 106.3 FM e dey asedabe man penifo so mo buy Abusia sana sama me say